Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back to discuss additives for the machine other than the abrasive you use to blast. Now there are a few that we do have. The first is going to be corrosion inhibitor. Now this is good to use on a closed loop system as a direct additive into your machine. The reason you want to use this on a closed loop system is because on an open loop you're just going to be taking your overflow water out of the cabinet and disposing of it essentially, instead of using it again like in a closed loop system, which makes your system self-contained. Now this will prevent any flash rust on your pieces. So let's say you have a mild steel piece, it's prone to flash rusting if water is introduced. That corrosion inhibitor is going to completely prevent that. It is water-based, so it does not affect any of the final finish. Doesn't affect any after coatings either. Now, if you're on an open loop system and you still want to use it, you may want to set something up like a dip tank and use it in there instead of your machine, again, so you don't just overflow the water with the corrosion inhibitor out and then dilute your mixture inside of the machine. Another additive that we do have is the antimicrobial for these machines. This is great to prevent any bacteria or stench from building up in your water. Same thing as the corrosion inhibitor in terms of using it on a closed loop system. That's the best system to use it on because you don't want to overflow that water out, dilute your mixture inside of the machine, and then just keep adding more. It's best to use it on a closed loop system. Another additive we have is the no-pack wet blast additive. Now, if you're going to not use your machine, I would say any more than a week or two, I would add the no pack to it, and what that's going to do is prevent media packing at the bottom of your hopper with your abrasive. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're happy to help anytime. 828-202-5563.